3 signs someone has low awareness. Most people with low awareness don't even realize they have it. These 3 signs will help you recognize it in others, and more importantly, in yourself. 1. Stubborn to the core. These people live inside a fixed mental box. Talk to them and you'll always hit 2 walls: misunderstanding and overreaction. One sentence can make them angry. One idea can make them defensive. Why? Because they don't read, don't grow, and don't reflect. They think they're confident, but it's blind confidence. They think they're strong, but it's actually insecurity. Small issues become chaos. Big issues? They can't see the root. Material poverty isn't scary, but a poor mind is. And what's worse than low awareness? Low awareness plus the belief that they're better than everyone else. 2. Arguing out of habit. These people don't think. They react. They argue first, understand later, or never. In psychology, there's a term for this: automatic rebuttal. No matter what you say, right or wrong, they must disagree to feel superior. You say north, they say south. You talk about values, they twist it into methods. Even if they secretly agree with you, they still argue, just to win. You explain harder, you get exhausted. They think you ran out of arguments. You lose. But this isn't about who's right, it's a clash of awareness levels. And awareness decides the world a person is capable of seeing. 3. Emotion over logic. People with low awareness use emotion to solve everything. A tiny issue can make them explode. But the pain isn't from the event, it's from their distorted interpretation of the event. They don't understand their own emotions, so they can't understand yours. You treat them kindly, they may think you're afraid of them. Their ego inflates. They feel above you. And the same kindness you gave will one day be used against you. That's the dark side of being too kind to the wrong people. When 2 people are not on the same awareness level, everything you do will look wrong in their eyes. And awareness has nothing to do with status or titles. It's about character, depth, and emotional understanding. How to know you've grown. Look at yourself from 5 or 10 years ago. If you feel, wow, I was naive, I was clueless, congratulations, your awareness has risen. Awareness has no ceiling. As long as you keep upgrading yourself, you'll understand more, you'll see clearer, you'll suffer less, and you'll live better.